Welcome, dear listeners, to today's program on how to achieve your goals. Whether your ambitions are personal or professional, the journey to success begins with setting clear and achievable goals. In this video, we will explore a step-by-step guide to help you navigate the path towards your dreams. Define your objectives. The first step towards achieving your goals is to define them clearly. Take some time to reflect on what you truly desire and what motivates you. Set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound SMART objectives. Write them down, as this will give them a sense of tangibility. Remember, knowing where you want to go is vital in plotting your course. Create an action plan. With your goals in mind, it's time to create an action plan. Break your larger goal into smaller, manageable tasks. Prioritize these tasks based on their importance and deadlines. Ensure that each step is realistic and fits your schedule and capabilities. An action plan will not only keep you focused, but also provide a sense of accomplishment as you tick off completed tasks. Overcoming obstacles. On your journey towards your goals, obstacles will inevitably arise. Instead of letting them discourage you, view them as opportunities for growth. Identify potential challenges and brainstorm solutions. Be adaptable and open to adjustments in your plan. Seek support from friends, family, or mentors who can provide guidance and encouragement during challenging times. Stay committed. Stay committed. Maintaining commitment is crucial to achieving your goals. Keep your objectives visible and remind yourself of the reasons you set them in the first place. Celebrate small victories along the way and use them as fuel to keep moving forward. Remember, perseverance is key. Success doesn't happen overnight. Learn and evolve. Embrace every experience as a learning opportunity. Evaluate your progress regularly, acknowledging both successes and setbacks. Learn from your mistakes and use them to refine your approach. Be open to new ideas and be willing to adapt your strategy if necessary. Keep an open mind and be willing to evolve as you grow. In conclusion, achieving your goals is a journey that requires dedication, perseverance, and self-belief. By defining clear objectives, creating an action plan, overcoming obstacles, staying committed, and learning from your experiences, you can navigate the path to success. So go ahead, dream big, and make your aspirations a reality. Thank you for tuning in to our guide on how to achieve your goals. Remember, the power to accomplish your dreams lies within you. Stay focused, stay driven, and success will undoubtedly be within reach. Until next time, best of luck on your journey towards achieving your goals. If you like the video, please subscribe to Happy Motivation for more videos.